Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in today's video I'm going to share with you step by step how to change the language in your Windows computer. Right now, so the first thing you want to do on your taskbar is right click on the Windows icon and you will see the settings button right here. This is what you want to click on. Now, if your computer is in a different language and you don't know that language, then the easy way how to do it is simply to right click on the taskbar and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the sixth option from the bottom will be the settings. So you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now let me go ahead and move this window here so you can see it. Now once this window open, then you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options from the bottom here, and that will be the time and language. And it's easy to identify because you can see the clock and also the globe behind it, which simply means that the clock is for the time and the globe means the language. Now once you go ahead and click on time and language, you will see the option here, which is the second option that says language and region. So you want to go ahead and click language and region, and this will open up the language and region option where you can go ahead and change the language of your computer. Right now, so the first option at the top, which is Windows display language, this is the one that you want to go ahead and change. Now if you click on this drop down here where I have the English United States, you will see that I have two English language here, which is the United States and the Canada. Now if you want to put your computer in another language and you simply don't have that language in this drop down list, then you want to go ahead and add that language. Right, so you just want to go ahead and click this add language button right here, and you will be able to see quite a lot of languages there. So if you know the language, you can search for it here, or you just will have to scroll down until you find the language that you really desire. So a point to note, you can realize as well what each language will offer you. So you see the icons here and you can see what each icons mean. So for the English Caribbean, you can see that it has the display language and also offer me handwriting, while others you can see that it also offers speech recognition and also text to speech. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose the English for Caribbean and I'm going to just choose next. Now once you choose next, you can choose if you want that language right away to be the default language for your Windows. So you can check this one, you can check this box, and you can make sure that it will be your default language, and that will basically do it. But I will not have this to be my default language, so I will leave it unchecked. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and install it, and this will take some time to really download the language in your computer. Now I want to mention, if you're selecting a language that has like all 4 options, right, this could take up to 10 minutes, sometime more, to download and install, and it also depending on your internet connection. Now once this is done, all you have to do is just go ahead and select that language from the drop down here, and as you can see already, it's already showing that I have the English Caribbean within my drop down list. But as I said, you have to go ahead and wait until it finished downloads. Then you want to go ahead and select the language within the drop down here, and you want to go ahead and restart your computer, and that's all there is to it. Now I really hope that this will help you to change the language of your Windows computer, and if this does, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you found some value and if this was helpful for you. And if you're new to the channel, special welcome, and feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one.